I'm going to teach you how to use routers in Make. A router is a powerful tool that lets you split one workflow into multiple paths, so different actions can run from the same trigger. Think of it like a traffic director. The trigger fires once, and the router sends the data down one or more routes, allowing you to send a message, save data, or kick off another task in parallel. Start by opening Make and creating a new scenario. This gives you a blank canvas where we'll build the flow. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first component. In the search bar, type Flow Control, and from that category select Router. As soon as you add it, you'll see the router appear with multiple branches you can connect to different actions. This is where the magic happens. For example, one route could send an email, another could save the incoming data to a spreadsheet or database, and a third could trigger a follow-up process. You're not adding extra triggers, just branching actions from the same starting point. To build out the first path, click the plus icon on the first route and add a module. Choose the service and action that match your goal, then configure its fields as needed. Map the incoming data from your trigger so the module knows what to send or save. Next, repeat that on the second route. Click the plus icon on that branch and add another module. Configure it with the appropriate settings, again mapping the data you want to use. Keep each route focused on a single clear outcome so it's easy to maintain and troubleshoot later. If you want to control which data goes down which branch, you can add a filter. Click the line leading from the router to a route, choose Filter, define your condition, and click OK. Filters are great for sending items based on values like status, type, or amount. A helpful tip is to keep your conditions mutually exclusive so each item only runs where it should. When everything looks good, click Save. It's a good habit to name your scenario and label your routes clearly, so future edits are straightforward. Finally, click Run once to test. Watch the execution to confirm each route runs as expected, and review any module output to verify the results. That's it, your router is now set up to branch one workflow into multiple, efficient paths.